It's like -10 right now. Woo! Hurry! It's midnight, Saturday. And yes, I gave up smoking, but I'm having a Cuban cigar. My father-in-law recently went on a trip to Trinidad. He goes there twice a year for his job. He's a salesman for some company. I don't even know what he does exactly. Construction stuff or farming equipment. I don't know. Anyway, Cuban cigars are dirt cheap there. And I was just walking Jakey in all this snow. We did a quick lap around the block. I think it was -12 at one point. And it's -9 or -10 now. The plows were through earlier today. My neighbor put up all her Christmas decorations. Well, not all, but I mean, she did it today, I think. I haven't seen them prior. So, yeah, it's been snowing all day. Yeah, I'm not used to smoking, and I'm not used to all this snow so early in the season. But I guess there's snow everywhere except Florida at this point. So, why I'm not there, or better yet, the Grand Cayman Islands, I don't know. Well, that's right, I do know, because I can't afford it. But so earlier in the evening, I took a shower and then I got out, and my daughter came home today. That's how I ended up seeing Julie's father. He was out in Hamilton, so he swung over to St. Catharines and picked her up. And I think I showed these already, right? Anyway, he went and picked her up, and that's how I got the cigar from him. So I go in, I take a shower, and I come out, and I decide I'm going to order a pizza. Julie's working the night shift. I'll order a pizza. No sense cooking. So I come downstairs, and I'm about to order, and I yell upstairs to Amanda, do you want me to order anything for you? Because she can't eat regular pizza, but they do have a gluten-free type of pizza. She doesn't answer. I go upstairs, she's gone. I call her on her phone and I say, quick question, where are you? She says, oh, I've gone to Main Street in a blizzard. And I say, why? And she said, oh, we're just sitting at Starbucks with a couple friends I haven't seen in a while. Anyway, it made me think I'm glad that I'm at the age now, and I have been for many years, where I don't feel that just because it's Saturday night, I have to go out. She, still being 19, thinks that she has to go out, even if it's a blizzard, because she'll be judged if she doesn't. How dare you stay home? Not that any of these people would have known she was even home from school, because I think her exams finished like a week early. So, as compared to last year. So, I don't know. But for whatever reason, she took off. So, I've got a bottle of Johnny Walker Black that I'm going to crack as soon as I finish this cigar, that nobody knows I have, and nobody will know, hopefully, if they don't watch my videos. Because I don't smoke. But I looked them up, and these cigars are $18.95 each. I can't just throw it out. That would be wasteful. Anyway, hope it's nicer wherever you guys are.